Hello everyone, welcome to the 15th episode of Portfolio Update. This is My Money Universe channel where I show you my full stock portfolio and all the reasons behind every buying and selling in it. We talk and discuss about various businesses, how I'm saving my money, what is my future plan, and about the overall stock market and economy. And why am I doing all this? वेल क्योंकि एक टाइम पे मैं ऐसा ही यूट्यूब चैनल फॉलो करना चाहता था जो सिर्फ स्टॉक्स के बारे में बात ही ना करें बट अपना एक्चुअल स्टॉक पोर्टफोलियो भी दिखाएं, क्योंकि यूट्यूब पे तो सभी जीनियस हैं। जब सिर्फ बात करनी होती है तो आप कुछ ही बोल सकते हो, ये स्टॉक डबल कर दिया मैंने, वो स्टॉक 10x पे बेचा and etc. You know the drill. Then I thought, okay fine, I'm not getting anyone like this on YouTube in India, so no worries, I will go to my friends. Then I started asking them questions about how they are planning their financial life and all. And I realized they don't even know half of what I know. Plus, they get very awkward talking about their real investments with real number. वो बता देंगे कि रिलायंस का शेयर खरीदा है, बट कितने में खरीदा है और टोटल कितना पैसा उसमें लगाया है, ये इन्फॉर्मेशन देने में वो थोड़े awkward हो जाते थे. बट ऑफ कोर्स फ्रेंड्स हैं, थोड़ा गाली दो उनको तो थोड़ी देर में बता ही देते हैं. बट आई फेल्ट वेरी लोनली इन दिस फाइनेंस जर्नी. I wanted to achieve financial independence, whereas people around me wanted to buy luxury homes, cars, and international trip. So I was totally a misfit in the group then. और जब मेरी पहली प्रॉपर जॉब लगी तो वो इतनी स्ट्रेसफुल थी कि मैंने डिसाइड किया कि यार फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस के बारे में अभी से प्लान करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज मैं सबकी तरह लाइफ भर काम करता रहूंगा, और वो भी बिना इंटरेस्ट के. तो मैं लगातार पढ़ता रहा अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, फाइनेंस और थोड़ी सी सेविंग से एसआईपी शुरू कर दी म्यूचुअल फंड्स में, जो कि बाय द वे अभी काफी अच्छे रिटर्न पे है, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ रेगुलरली इंक्रीजिंग द अमाउंट. Then for many years I invested regularly in direct stocks also. And then 2020 pandemic happened and one of my new portfolio fell down to 50%. Old portfolio was doing fine because it had companies like SDFC, Kotak Mahindra and all these safe boring bets. तो उनको तो कुछ ज्यादा होता ही नहीं है लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए, वैसे भी उनके भी प्राइसेस गिरे बट वो उठ ही जाते हैं, तो उसमें कोई ज्यादा रिस्क नहीं लगता है. बट दिस पोर्टफोलियो, वो इट वॉज क्रेजी, डाउन 50% and still falling. But during this time when people were panic selling, I kept on laughing and buying all the shares from the dusty ground. It was total fun. And then all my friends started coming to me for help, and then I thought, why not open the YouTube channel and help others too? For the people who want a partner in their finance journey, people who want to really look inside other person's portfolio with the real numbers along with the new ideas of why to choose that company and how much percentage of net worth to put there. And boom, started this channel. It's been one whole year in this journey, and though My Money Universe channel has few viewers, I'm happy to help each of them in every tiny way possible. So thank you for being here. और यार स्मैश करो लाइक बटन को, और अगर आप स्मैश करते हैं लाइक बटन को तो आपको मिलेगी ये क्यूट डॉग पिक्चर इन रिटर्न. So cute. So as the market fell on last Monday and Tuesday a little, my portfolio has gone down a little too. It is resting at 24,28,276 rupees currently. It is up 36.14% overall. Though the market has gone down, but still it's just tiny bit down. So it doesn't open any new opportunities for me to go big on any of these stocks that I like. Rain Industries is doing its best I think in last 2 years and is at 183 rupees right now. Since they have announced their new subsidiary, they have been seeing some heavy buying volumes in it, and that is why the price is going up. Maybe some institutional investor is buying its share in bulk. We will come to know about it in some time, but overall portfolio has not seen any significant down or up from last portfolio update, even though we are going through terrible situation of second wave. अब अगर आप लोग पीछे जाके मेरे previous videos को देखेंगे तो आप notice करेंगे कि मैं continuously बोल रहा हूँ कि second wave in comparison to first wave is gonna be much more lethal. और मैंने आप लोगों को case studies भी दिखाई हैं of countries like Switzerland and Italy. उस टाइम पे इंडिया की सेकेंड वेव उतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं थी और सब लोग इसको बहुत कैजुअली ले रहे थे, बट अब सिचुएशन काफी खराब है. तो अगर आप एक इन्वेस्टर हो तो ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि कोविड केसेस नंबर्स क्या हैं और ये कैसे स्टॉक मार्केट को अफेक्ट करने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स सी द नंबर्स एंड डेटा सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेयर वी आर एंड व्हाट वी आर फेसिंग इन द फ्यूचर. वी हैव रीच्ड एट 3.5 lakh न्यू केसेस एवरी डे इन इंडिया. And according to new reports, the cases are going to keep rising in the near future. Let's look at this report in Economic Times. Just read the first line and it's just gonna give you a jolt. It says, and I quote, COVID-19 is going to kill more people in 2021 than it did last year. Average infection numbers over the past 7 days have run at nearly 3 times the level 2 weeks ago. Unquote. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि कितनी लीथल है सेकेंड वेव। आई मीन 2 वीक पहले जो एवरेज इन्फेक्शन नंबर थे, इस वीक वो उसके ट्रिपल हो गए हैं। और सबसे सैडनिंग बात यह है कि एज सिटीजन्स वी आर ऑल्सो नॉट एज केयरफुल एज वी वर लास्ट ईयर। I can still see people going out to shop and maintaining no social distancing or even wearing the mask properly. तो ऑफ कोर्स आने वाले टाइम में केसेस और बढ़ेंगे और हमारा मेडिकल सेटअप बैडली क्रैश हो जाएगा, जो कि वो ऑलरेडी हो रहा है। इवन थो आवर डॉक्टर्स एंड नर्सेस and all the medical staff is doing an outright amazing job. Hats off to them. Same article say that if things don't change, then we might see 3,000 deaths every day, twice the current level and 10 times what we have seen this whole year. Wow, it's totally horrifying. मैं होप करूंगा कि सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाए, बट अभी के लिए we are a terrible place. Lockdowns are coming back at all places. Our Prime Minister already said that we are in tsunami of COVID cases and there is a big chance of whole country once again going under full lockdown like last time. Though of course government is trying not to take that path, but still we are approaching that scenario. And this all the terrible things that COVID brought is going to be affecting our economy also. Then you should question, like I'm questioning, why the hell market is not falling sharply even if the situation is so bad? इसको जानने के लिए हमें उन कंट्रीज के डेटा को देखना पड़ेगा जो कि हमसे थोड़ा आगे हैं सेकेंड वेव से अफेक्ट होने में, जैसे कि यूएस, यूके, इटली एंड जर्मनी। तो ये ग्राफ दिखाता है कि पीरियड्स इन बिटवीन द सेकेंड वेव व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड एंड पीक्ड, हाउ द इक्विटी हैज परफॉर्म्ड। In US, second wave started around mid-October and peaked around mid-January. And for the first 15 days, stock market declined by 6%. But by the time cases reached to its peak in mid-January, the market was up 8%. यूके में भी ऑलमोस्ट सेम सिचुएशन हुई है। वहां पे सेकेंड वेव स्टार्ट हुई है मिड दिसंबर में और उसके साथ मार्केट थोड़े दिनों के लिए बस जरा सा नीचे हुआ है। और जब सेकेंड वेव पीक पे पहुंची है जो कि मिड जैन में हुआ है, तो तब मार्केट 4.1% ऊपर चला गया है। इटली और जर्मनी में भी सेम देखने को मिला है। तो ये ग्राफ दिखाता है कि कैसे जब सेकेंड वेव स्टार्ट होती है तो मार्केट थोड़े से नीचे जाता है बहुत थोड़े से दिनों के लिए, और उसके बाद जब तक वायरस पीक पे जाता है तो मार्केट ऑलरेडी ऊपर रहता है। अकॉर्डिंग टू फाइनेंस एक्सपर्ट्स, दिस इज बिकॉज द वर्स्ट इज ऑलरेडी फैक्टर्ड इन। The market already knew something like this is coming and hence adjusted accordingly. Note that the stock market is forward-looking system. That is why if things go a little good or bad in economy, market reacts sharply to it. So vaccination drive has been one of the biggest reason of people not panicking in the market this time. As you can see here, India started its vaccination program on 16th Jan 2021. And by 23rd April, we have population of 8.6% people getting one shot and 1.6% people got their double shot. But we are still a long journey towards getting people both the doses. And in the meanwhile, a lot of things can go wrong. So the moral of this whole story is that we should not be thinking of market immediately falling down. And we should definitely not think of any market crash anytime soon. At least according to this data. But this is for short-term outlook. After a while, maybe we can expect some kind of buying opportunity. Or if the situation worsens, then market can take a dive. But you cannot just wait for the market to fall because it's almost impossible to time the market. And that is said by most of the legend investors too. So that is why it is important to keep investing systematically. Go for monthly or weekly SIPs into mutual funds so that you don't have to stress on when the market will fall or in which company you need to put your money and all those stressful things. But if you want to go for SIPs in stocks and want to make strong and safe portfolio, then I can help you out in that. तो अगर आज मुझे अपना स्टॉक पोर्टफोलियो बनाना होगा जिसमें कि मेरे पैसे सेफ रहें, रिमेंबर सेफ रहें, और मुझे उसमें कुछ चेंजेस ना करने पड़े हर साल, तो मेरा पोर्टफोलियो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा आपको। तो ये हैं वो कंपनीज जहां पे मैं अपनी SIPs करूंगा और इतनी परसेंटेज के साथ। इनमें SDFC 10%, HDFC बैंक 5%, कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक 7%, बजाज फाइनेंस 7%, एशियन पेंट्स 10%, सेरा 5%, मेरिको 7%, नेस्ले 5%, टाटा ग्लोबल 7%, पीडीलाइट 8%, TCS 7%, इन्फोसिस 7%, Reliance 7%, and the last, Dr. Lal Pathlabs 8%. And just for clarity, as you can see, this is my portfolio and I don't own any of those companies because I already own those companies through my mutual funds. And this particular portfolio that you're seeing right now is just for aggressive strategy. तो अगर आपको सेफ पोर्टफोलियो बनाना है तो उन कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करना सही स्ट्रैटेजी है, स्पेशली इफ यू आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आउट योर फाइनेंस जर्नी. And this is just for example. There are other safe companies like Page Industries, Aisha Motors, Godrej Consumers, Hindustan Unilever Limited, where you can put your money for long term. तो यार कमेंट से बार बार ये मत डालना कि ये वाला स्टॉक क्यों नहीं लिखा, ये वाला स्टॉक क्यों नहीं लिखा, क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स हैं, आप खुद से चूज कर सकते हो. इट इज जस्ट द एग्जाम्पल दैट आई गेव यू. द होल आइडिया ऑफ हैविंग दिस चैनल is promoting long-term benefits of investing and understanding the finance better, and not to be scared of it. And to do that, first you need to understand what kind of investor are you. What do you really understand? Please don't have any fancy idea of becoming super rich by doing risky bets or getting into options and all. Remember, even Warren Buffett loses money in 2 or 3 of his bets out of 10. And he is one of the greatest in the field. So how can you think that reading and learning something for a while will make you 100% failure proof? In trading or in options, you need to be right in almost every trade, and you need to be right within the limited time period. And that is very, very rare thing to do. Whereas investing in long term is not only safe, but you don't have to panic or anything just because your share is 40% down. If you want some example, then you can go to my first video where my portfolio was almost down 50% at 7 lakh rupees, and you will hear me saying that I'm happy market is down because I'm buying more. You will never see a sign of nervousness, and that is how long-term investing works. I'm a normal guy with normal knowledge just like you. If I can build up my portfolio like this and aim for 1 crore, then you can too. But if you still think that you are very good in trading and options and all these things, then good luck to you. You can be one of those people who are great in doing those things, and you should continue in your journey. Okay, so let's see how pandemic has affected my revenue and cash management. So the business is down and I'm making like 25% of my revenue. It is still good enough to take care of my expenses, so I don't have to worry about that. Though I need to take care of my staff's salary and all the emergencies they are going through right now. One of them just got the COVID case in his house, so I have to pay for that and all those things. And that is putting my cash under pressure for right now. Cash in hand, 7% of total net worth. I am very excited about my crypto portfolio right now. Yeah, I know it's all bubble and hype and all sort of craziness going on here. But at the same time, look at the new technology, new inventors, and amazing people from this field. I would say that the best part of having my money in crypto right now is the knowledge that I'm gaining from here. When I first put my money in crypto back in 2013-14, I did it just for the sake of learning about these things. Every year I put around 10% of my income into something new so that I can learn about it. Yeah, it helps when your money is involved with something. It keeps you engaged and excited. And knowledge is supreme to everything. So back when I bought this crypto, I never knew that it will open this floodgate of so many new technologies. बट अभी देखो क्या अमेजिंग चीज़ें हो रही हैं इस स्पेस में. इस तरह को हम डायरेक्टली कंपेयर कर सकते हैं .com बबल से, जहाँ पे किसी भी चीज़ के आगे आप जस्ट .com लगा दो और आप मिलियनर हो जाते हो. जैसे pets.com, sky.com, chair.com, slippers.com. Yup, anything with .com in it became big. But we should also not forget that we got Amazon.com from it, and many other companies of internet space that are ruling the economy now. And those companies are the biggest companies now. They replaced everything, toppled all the champions and the biggest masters of the economy and the business. तो क्रिप्टो भी सेम स्पेस में है, और जब ये बबल से बाहर आएगा तो इसमें भी हमें पता चलेगा कि Amazon कौन सा है. For now, there is no change per se in my crypto portfolio yet, but soon I will be showing you guys a new thing that I'm getting into. It's been almost 1 year of research on it and still it continues, but soon I'll be showing you my new buying. So if you want to see my newest stock or crypto that I buy, then make sure to subscribe the channel and press the notification bell so you will get the video as soon as I post it. And smash the like button so my tiny channel can reach to more and more people, and they can also be a part of our small community of My Money Universe channel, and together we all can walk towards financial independence. See you guys next time. Signing off, My Money Universe.